Good morning, Year 9s. Today is Sunday the 3rd of May, 2020. This is lesson 1 of 4 in week 5. So today we're going to move on to the addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. That's our learning title for today. If you just give me one moment, I'll open up the PowerPoint. So first we'll look at the addition of algebraic fractions. So as we've seen before, we can add algebraic fractions using the same method that we use for numerical fractions. So for example, if we had 1 over a plus 2 over b, now remember, we can only add or subtract fractions when the denominators are the same. So what we normally do is find equivalent fractions for 1 over a by multiplying and dividing by the same denominator, by the same number. So what we do here is what I've called before, do kiss, kiss, cross, cross. So we need to write the fractions of a common denominator before we can add them. So as I said, we do multiply the denominators. So a times b becomes ab, and then we cross multiply. So 1 times b is b, 2 times a become 2a. So now we've got the denominators the same. So then we just simply add the numerators and simplify when we can. So the b plus the 2a over ab. Okay, so the general rule is a over b plus c over d. So we multiply the denominators to give us bd, and then cross multiply here and here. Okay, so if we had 3 over x plus y over 2, so write them over the same common denominators. So here they're finding we have x times 2, and then the 3 times 2, x times 2 is the same denominator, and then x times y. So the 3 times 2 is a 6, 2. So it'd be 2x, 6 over 2x plus xy over 2x. So that will be 6 plus xy over 2x. Now, the subtraction of fractions is the same rule. You have to make sure the denominators are the same. So we're still going to do the kissy, kissy, cross, cross. Okay? So if we had p over 3, subtract q over 2. So the 3 times the 2 is a 6. The p times 2 is 2p. The 3 times the q, 3q. Remember, we're subtracting now, so the 2p minus the 3q, we can't do because they're not the same. So they give us 2p minus 3q over 6. So as we've seen with addition of algebraic fractions, a over b minus c over d will give us a times d subtract b times c over b times d, bd. So if we had this question, 2 plus p over 4 minus 3 over 2q. So again, remember we're multiplying these, cross multiplying, and then multiply these two. So this side first, 2 plus p times 2q is 2q, then in brackets 2 plus p over 8q minus 3 times 4 is 12, 2q plus 4 is 8q, and then if you can simplify, simplify. So that'd be 2q multiplied with 2p plus p minus 12 over q. So just simplify them if you can to give you q times 2 plus p in brackets minus 6 over 4q. Okay, so let's go back to the questions in our book. So for today, we've got exercise 3. Again, we're just going to do odd numbers, so please do question 1, 3, 5, and 7 only. Remember to copy the question, show your workings, and your solution for these questions, and then we'll check over them. The second half, we've got the questions, exercise 3 with a star. So these are slightly more harder questions. For this, just again, do the questions I've circled. So only do question 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Again, remember to copy the question, show your workings, show how you make the denominators the same, cross multiplying, simplifying wherever possible to get to your final answer. Okay, so that's all we're doing for today. In tomorrow's lesson 2 of 4, we're going to be looking at solving equations with roots and powers. Okay, and if you have any questions, as always, please message me and I'll send you the access code for Zoom, and we can have a support tutorial session one-to-one or with a few of you in a group. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to catching up with you guys tomorrow. Good day for now.